I think the workshop was really useful because there was quite varied expertise, and I think it's valuable. I think it was very good to have people who are focusing on the science and on research. I think it was very good that there were people who are aware of the bigger political context, because often it happens that we have the solutions quite clear, we know the needs quite clearly, and we have the science behind it. It's very clear to us right now that we need to phase out fossil fuels, and we need to do it fast because the 2050 is approaching quickly, and we cannot continue to emit so much CO2 and so many greenhouse gases. Therefore, we need to have a variety of solutions to put this transition into place. The most important thing I learned today, I think, is to look for actors which are more varied. As I had the opportunity to go to core regions many times and to meet with the stakeholders, I never considered that the cultural scene is as important as others. So the creative solutions, I think, they can be identified first and foremost by these people, by the people who are really thinking outside the box most of the time, and are really trying to imagine solutions which do not necessarily produce immediate giant economic benefits, but they are needed from day one in order to have acceptance of this transition.